and welcome back to yet another video on my channel. This is Shipra Singh and I hope you guys are doing fine. So as we all know that festive season is all around the corner with Raksha Bandhan approaching and Diwali and etc etc. If you guys are like me who likes to wear trendy, stylish yet comfortable clothes, then you are watching the right video. So make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you like this video and if you find it helpful. Also, I am going to put the codes. Basically मीशो में लिंक नहीं होते जैसे Amazon या Flipkart पे होता है. There are these 6 or 7 digit 9 digit I suppose codes for every corresponding dress. So I am going to put that code for every dress that I'm going to show you, and you can just go ahead and you can download the Meesho app and you can put this particular 9 digit code and you will find the dresses. So yeah, I'm going to put all those codes in the description box, so please check the description box and also make sure that you watch this video until the end because I am going to tell you about the giveaway rules. There is a giveaway coming your way because obviously it's my first festive haul and festive season is approaching. So please make sure that you watch this video till the end. The first set is this light purple anarkali. This kurti has got gota border on the neck and sleeves. It has this V-neck with the dories in the side and the heavy latkan, which is enhancing the overall look of this simple anarkali. It has this amazing frill. It is paired with a super comfortable and a shade lighter sharara which appears like a layer to this anarkali. You can pair it up with the mirror or contrast jewelry and you are just good to go. This is a beautiful printed cotton sharara set with 3/4 sleeves. I love the beautiful color combination of the pastel green, red and golden borders. It has this unique mix of patterns like stripes and ethnic print. Now coming to dupatta, it has this similar pattern like the set and I'm impressed with the length of this dupatta, and exactly as what I like. This set is stylish, unique and super comfortable. Up next is this black and white contrast print kurti and pant set. Monochrome can never go wrong, plus it's super fun and easy to style them. This pant also has pockets, so that's amazing. Add silver or oxidized earring and you're ready for any casual occasion. And just for rupees 513, I think it's amazing material and it's very comfortable as well. This one is simple cotton printed kurti and pant. The bottom of this kurti was nothing like in the picture, but you can't expect much in rupees 370. But if you ignore the bottom, the kurti is amazing. Be it the block prints or the rolled up sleeves, it's as stylish as comfortable. And अगर मुझे सिर्फ कुर्ती के लिए भी 370 rupees पे करना हो तो I think it's totally worth it. You can style this with light makeup and simple accessories for any homely occasions. Up is this 3-piece material where you get 3 pieces of kurti material and 1 material for bottom and a beautiful dupatta. I got the white material stitched as a sleeveless kurti which can be styled in various ways. You can add a huge earring or a choker and you're done. However, do not forget to check out the video in the description to see how I style the simple kurtis in various ways. Next up is this pink chicken curry kurta, which is cheapest amongst all the kurtis that I've shown you in this collection, but it is out of stock on Meesho right now. But you can wear any chicken curry kurtas because these kurtas are so easy to style and look very elegant. You can pair it up with literally anything like jeans, palazzo, leggings and add an oxidized earring and you are good to go. So last two is not exactly an Indian festive top, but I got it from Meesho, so I thought why not include it here. So first is this crop top that I got from Meesho. It's plain high neck sleeveless top. I have mainly used it as a blouse and here is the picture. And you too can use it as a top to your long skirt or palazzo or sharara. So I think it makes an amazing top for any kind of Indian bottom. This is a black jacket which I got for just rupees 279. It looks like a black denim jacket but it's lycra. The rusted buttons and the pocket in the front gives more a denimish look to this jacket. It is a good substitute to heavy and costly denim jackets and iska material is so light that you can literally use it in summers as well. So that's why I think this jacket is a total steal for me. yeah, that's it about this video. And I did not purchase anything very fancy or very heavy, because I am just hoping that, like me, most of you guys are going to celebrate festivals at home, as you should do, with your near and dear ones. So in this kind of situation, it wouldn't make much sense, or it would be just too much to carry something very heavy as lehenga or saris or etc etc. So I tried keeping it casual and very practical, which you guys can go ahead and try it out. So yes, now speaking about the giveaway rules.
So it's basically you shop and I pay. So you can buy anything up to rupees 500 from Meesho and I will pay for you. You can participate in this giveaway in the 3 easy steps. First is of course subscribe to my channel. Second is invite your friends to subscribe to my channel, and you can like my video and comment down the names of your friends that you have invited. And plus you can follow me on Instagram to get bonus points.
So yes, that's it about this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find it helpful. And on the next video, keep sharing love. Bye bye.